सभी लर्नर्स का इमिनेंस विद्यापीठ में स्वागत है। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अ न्यू series on general studies. This will cover not only all the competition exams but also the school learnings of general study, and the topic is India at a glance. तो इस पर्टिकुलर सीरीज में हम इंडिया के बारे में, इसका पॉलिटिकल हो चाहे कल्चरल हो, ऑल द टॉपिक्स वी विल कवर एंड प्रोसीड अकॉर्डिंगली. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट इंडिया एट अ ग्लैंस. फर्स्ट पार्ट, जनरल स्टडीज कंटेंट्स का फर्स्ट पार्ट, GS01. So if we are looking India with reference to word, so what are the key highlights? It is mentioned here. India, officially the Republic of India, i.e. Bharat Ganrajya, is one of the oldest civilization in the world, and it is the world's most populous democracy. Our India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia, and it is the 7th largest country by area in the world. Its area is 32.8 lakh square kilometer. जो हमारे इंडिया की जियोग्राफी है, इट इज बाउंडेड बाय ग्रेट हिमालयास इन द नॉर्थ एंड टुवर्ड्स साउथ इट tapers off into the Indian Ocean between the Bay of Bengal on the east and the Arabian Sea on the west. Now, the India is the most populous country as of June 2023. Earlier it was second after China, but last year in June 23, India population crossed the China population, and as on date, India is stood up at the top of the world with reference to population. Second, if we are talking about political, so India is basically a democratic republic with a parliamentary system of government, and the president of India is the constitutional head. Our national capital is New Delhi, and in India there are 28 states and 8 union territories in the country. By area, the largest state is Rajasthan and the smallest state is Lakshadweep. By population, in India the biggest state is Uttar Pradesh and smallest state is Lakshadweep. There are total 797 districts in India. This is as per the data of November 2023, and our telephone country code ISD code is +91. With reference to constitutional view, nationality of India is Indian. Judicially अगर हम चेक करते हैं, the Supreme Court of India is the apex body of the Indian legal system, followed by other high courts in the states and subordinate courts. Religion wise, out of the India total population, more than 80% or the majority is Hindus. Muslims with 13.4% population is stood at second position, and followed by Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains and others. As per our constitution, there are 22 different languages have been recognized, and Hindi is our national language. As per 2011 census, our country literacy is 74%, in which the male are 78% and females literacy is 65%. Our proud movements: Independence Day, which is the 15th August 1947, when we got independence from the British colonial rule. Second, we made our constitution and it came into force on 26 January 1950. So 26 January is our Republic Day. Our Indian constitution is the world's largest written constitution and have 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules. The Indian constitution got prepared by Constituent Assembly, which got headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and the constitution preparation time taken by Constituent Assembly was 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. And our country's national days, there are 3 national days: 26 January Republic Day, 15th August Independence Day, and 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti, which is the Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, which is the father of our nation. As on date, the biggest personality, the biggest administrator of India, who is who? So our President of India is Srimati Draupadi Murmu, who was sworn in as the 15th President of India. Sri Narendra Damodar Modi is our current Prime Minister since May 2014, and he is also the 14th Prime Minister of India. Now, few symbols or national identities which are very important for our country. So the first is national flag. So our national flag is known as Tiranga. It is horizontal tricolor. At the top saffron, kesaria color, in mid white, and bottom green color in equal proportion. The ratio of width to length of our national flag is 2:3, and in the center of white band, a navy blue field with 24 equally spaced spokes is also there, which represents the Ashoka Chakra. Second is our national bird. So Indian peacock is our national bird. Its scientific name is Pavo cristatus. It is swan-sized bird and under the eye a long slender neck. The national animal, the magnificent tiger, Panthera tigris, is a striped animal. It is our national animal. The combination of grace, strength, agility and enormous power has earned the tiger its pride of place as the national animal of India. Next is the state emblem. It is an adoption of the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. In the original, there are 4 lions mounted back to back on a circular abacus, which itself rests on a bell-shaped lotus. And an elephant, a Galapagos horse, and bull lion separated by intervening their chakras at the bottom. The national anthem is Jan Gan Man, which got written by Sri Rabindranath Tagore in Bangla. It got adopted as national anthem by the Constituent Assembly of India on January 24, 1950. Next is the national song. Vande Mataram is our national song, which was composed by Bankim Chand Chatterjee in Sanskrit. It has also equal status and important like our national anthem. The rupee is our currency symbol, which is identification of Indian rupee. and it is symbolized as Ra. It is mentioned here. Next is our national game. Hockey is considered India's national game because it is one of the oldest games in our country. The national flower. Lotus is the national flower of India. Its scientific name is Nilembo nucifera Gartner. It is one of the important national symbol of India. Mango is our national fruit, and the banyan tree, which is also known as Bargad, scientific name is Ficus bengalaensis, is our national tree. So it's a very basic and very important contents about our India, which is briefed here at a glance. So we will cover in next part of this series GS02 more contents about GS topic India. So please like and subscribe my channel for more contents and video, and